Let me show you how to download applications on your iPhone Air. So to do it, we have to actually find this application called App Store, so Apple App Store. If you don't see it on the front page, you can simply swipe like this till you reach your app library. And you see you have different categories for the apps, and you have to search for this this A thing, so under the utilities, or also in the search, as you can also pull it up and enter it here. So if we open it up, as you see, you have all the categories for the apps, for example, so you can, and also, for example, if I click on any of the app, as you see, you can also see the screenshots of it, how the app looks like, and also even see some reviews about it as well, basically here. So if you want to basically download the application, so simply click get over here. Or also if you go a bit back, you see you also have the search thing over here. So for example, we can type in anything you want. So, again, so either click on the app name or simply click this blue thing to instantly download it. So you see, or also we can click the blue thing here as well. But again, so as you can see more details about the application here. And then simply let's wait for it to download and install it. Okay, and once done, we can open it up. So you see you have the app working here, and it will get placed on your front screen. So you'll find it somewhere. So if you want to move around the app, maybe on different screen or location, so we can simply press and hold on any blank space, and you see then you can essentially move this app wherever you want. And also, for example, so you see you can also move it to the next page here as well. Once satisfied, click on done and see it gets placed over here. Also, if at any time you want to uninstall this app, so we would click and hold on the app, and you see you have this remove app over here. So we can either delete from home screen or also delete app. So that will completely uninstall it and completely delete from your device. Good luck.